morning grade 9 students. Welcome to our next video. As you all know, we have started with chapter first. In previous video, we have seen that the fun they had. The two friends, that is Tommy and Margie, discussing about the real book and the education they were having. That was the mechanical teacher who used to teach them. We have seen how Margie hated her school as she was doing worse in her geography sector. So Mrs. Joan, her mother, calls the county inspector, and the county inspector comes and repaired that mechanical teacher. He geared up that geography sector. Geared up, that is, the standard of level was high. So she was not able to answer that questions, Margie. And the county inspector comes and he checked that mechanical teacher. So let us see the further discussion in this chapter. We will start with our part 2 of this chapter first.
Sure, they had a teacher, but it wasn't a regular teacher. It was a man. Now, what are they talking? Regular means here she's telling about mechanical teacher. They were having teacher, but it wasn't a regular teacher. That means it wasn't a mechanical teacher. So, who was he? It was a man. A man. How could a man be a teacher? So here Margie is surprised. A man, how could be a man a teacher? Well, he just told the boys and girls things and gave them homework and asked them questions. So what he's telling, Tommy? He's telling like us, like the mechanical teacher. The man used to just give them boys and girls things, and they even gave homework, and even they used to ask them questions. A man is not smart enough. Sure, he is. So, what Margie is telling? A man, how could be he smart? So, see what Tommy is replying. Sure, he is. As my father knows as much as my teacher. So, what Tommy is telling? As much that mechanical teacher knows, even that much only my father also knows, being a man. And you all know, robotic teacher, it is but obvious made by man. So, man is also smart. So here Tommy is telling, sure he is. My father knows as much as my teacher. Okay, so man is also a smart teacher here. They are talking about that. He knows almost as much. I betcha. That is, I am sure. Margie was unprepared to dispute that. Margie was unable to argue, unable to debate with Tommy. She said, I wouldn't want a strange man in my house to teach me. So what she is telling? She is confused. I don't want such a strange man to come and teach me in my house, as they were not knowing about the school that were 100 years before. Tommy screamed with laughter. So Tommy started laughing. You don't know much, Margie. The teachers did not live in the house. So Margie is only that, mechanical teachers, they live home. So now Tommy is telling him that the teachers did not live in the house. So the Margie had knew about the mechanical teacher. So she is thinking like that teacher. The teachers did not live in the house. They had a special building and all the kids went there. Now they are talking about the school. They had the special building and all the students used to go in that school for study. Now, and all the kids learned the same thing. Sure, if they were the same age. So the next question of there is, shall all kids were learning the same thing? Are they of the same age? Yes, now they are asking. They are having that question. According to different students, there should be different classes. They were not knowing about that. But my mother says a teacher has to be adjusted to fit the mind of each boy and girl. It teaches, and that each kid has to be taught differently. So, according to the mechanical robot, how the robot should be adjusted according to the standard level of the student. So, her mother is explaining them now. She is used to tell that day has to be adjusted to fit the mind of each boy and girl. It teaches, and that each kind they have to be taught differently. Just the same, they did not do it that way then. If you don't like it, you don't have to read the book. So what Tommy, if you don't like the book, stop reading the book. Okay, I didn't say I did not like it. Margie said quickly. So she is interested to read the book. now she is telling, I did not like and I did not say like that. So Margie is telling she wanted to read more about those funny schools. So she wanted to read what were that time in the school. She wanted to read about those funny schools. They weren't even half finished when Margie's mother called. Margie, school. So what happened? They were half finished reading that book and mother, Miss Jones, comes and tell her Margie, and she is remembering about the school that is time up. Margie looked up. Not yet, Mama. So she is telling, not yet, Mama. Now, said Miss Jones. And it's probably time for Tommy too. At the same time, it was also Tommy to attend the class, okay, at the same time. So Margie said to Tommy, can I read the book some more with you after school? So Margie is telling Tommy, we will read the book after school. Maybe, he said nonchalantly, that is, not showing much interest. He was telling okay, and he walked away whistling, the dusty old book tucked beneath his arm. So he went away whistling as he was very cool. So he started to whistle and just he went as the book was dusty. He took the book tucked beneath his arm. Margie went into the schoolroom. So now where Margie went? She went into the schoolroom. It was right next to her bedroom. So where was her schoolroom? Just next to the bedroom. And the mechanical teacher was on and waiting for her. When she went to the schoolroom, the mechanical teacher was waiting for her. It was always on at the same time every day except Saturdays and Sunday. So it was always on at the same time every day except Saturdays and Sundays, because her mother said little girls learn better if they learn at regular hours. So because it is a machine, it will get on at the whatever time it is set. And what the mother is telling, the mechanical teacher that used to get on at the particular time whichever it is set, so that the little girls learn regularly and they will understand that thing properly. The screen was lit up, that is the blink, it started, bright light was seen as you all seen in the desktop when you on the computers, okay. Said today's arithmetic lesson is on the addition of proper fraction. So what they are going to learn today? She is going to learn about the mathematics, the arithmetic lesson, okay, on the addition of the proper fractions. Please insert yesterday's homework in the proper slot. So this is only the thing which Margie used to hate. So what the mechanical teacher is telling about, to study that homework about the previous day. She is telling to insert the homework which the mechanical teacher had given on the previous day. Margie did so with a sigh. See, sigh, that is the Margie was disappointed little bit, okay. She was thinking about the old school days they had when her grandfather's grandfather was a little boy. Now she is thinking about the school days which you all have today, yes, as her grandfather's grandfather when he was a little boy. They had all the kids from the whole neighborhood came laughing and shouting in the schoolyard, okay. Now she's thinking about the students which we have today, as you all come with your friends, you all go with your friends, you have your tiffin box, you play on the playground, okay, sitting together in the classroom, laughing, shouting in the schoolyard. So she is imagining that about the old school days, going home together at the end of the day. They learned the same thing so they could help one another with the homework and talk about it. Now what she is imagining, that they used to clear their doubts or discuss their doubts together as they were going together, and they could help each other. And the teachers were people. Finally, teachers, people, yes, as you all have teachers now. The mechanical teacher was flashing on the screen when we add fraction 1 by 2 and 1 by 4. So the screen started blinking and showing the addition of fractions. Okay. Margie was thinking about how the kids must have loved it in the old days. She was thinking about the fun they had. So what she is thinking, how the kids used to love the olden days, to go to school with their friends, to have fun, to discuss problems with them. So she was thinking about the fun they had. So she is exciting about the days the days that children used to feel fun. Okay, so this our chapter is also on that, the fun they had. It is telling about, as you all come to school today, how your life is, how to come to school, you help each other, like that the school they won't remain further.
Students, I hope you all are clear with this chapter. If you have any queries, you can ask me on my personal WhatsApp number. I am going to send you all the PDF file of the question answers which you are going to write down in your English notebook. See you in the next video with new topic.